We once again commence in ballroom hold, but this time with the man facing the line of dance, the lady backing. We're going to dance 2 walks and a zigzag. Now your zigzag is forward to the side, behind to the side for the man, and behind, side, forward, side for the lady. So we've got slow, slow, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now going to dance a lockstep, which gentleman is going outside on the lady's left side. The lady's going back on her right, and you're both dancing step, cross, step. Outside on your lady's left side, guys, ready, and step, cross, step, swivel. So the gentleman is now facing against the line of dance, the lady is backing against the line of dance, and we're going to dance another lockstep, but this time closing our feet together at the end. So gentleman is outside on the lady's right side, commencing on his right foot, and the lady's back on her left. So we're this time dancing step, cross, step, close. And again, we've closed without weight. We're now going to repeat this, moving against the line of dance. Remember, we've got the 2 walks, the zigzag, the lockstep with the swivel, and the lockstep, but this time, as you'll see, we'll end in promenade position. So gentleman on the left, lady on the right, we've got 2 walks, the zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, the lockstep, here's the swivel, and the lockstep, and lady will turn to promenade. We now dance 2 walks into a fall away. Now a fall away is when the man crosses in front of the lady, and we end both facing against the line. So gentleman left, lady right. We're dancing 2 walks, and then the man is dancing crossover, side, back. So gent left, lady right, and slow. Here you go, fellas. Crossover, cross, side, back. We're now going to turn inwards and dance a solo turn down the room. So the lady is turning to her left, the man is turning to her right. So turn inwards to your partner and dance forward, side, side. 1, 2, 3, and close together, adopting double hold. Gentleman has closed his left to his right, lady has closed her right to her left. Now moving down the line of dance, gentleman on his right, lady on her left, we're going to dance a step and point, step and point. Now releasing the gentleman's left hand, we're going to dance an inward turn, which is forward to the side and back. So forward, side, back. And as you can see, we're both now facing the wrong way. Gentleman on the right foot, lady on the left foot, we're going to dance another lockstep, but turning to face our partner at the end. Step, lock, step, face our partner, and join the gent's left hand to the lady's right hand. We now dance a chassé, moving against the line of dance, which is side, close, side. So gentleman on his left, lady on her right, side, close, side. We're now going to dance another chassé for the gentleman, this time on his right foot, but the lady is dancing an underarm turn. Ladies, you're turning to the left, away from your gentleman, under his left arm. So you're going under his arm as the gent does a small chassé to his right. Turn, 2, 3, 4, and there you are back in your starting position. So now we'll take the complete run through of the Red Rose Saunter, and this time we'll count it in rhythm for you so you can get the feel of the timing. So our 2 walks we have slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick.